Alright guys, so I figured I'd do a quick idle clip. It looks like it quit raining, so I can go ahead and pull this thing out. I didn't want to get it wet yet. I don't know if it's going to start. The battery, I just unlocked the doors. They didn't sound very strong, but it's got a Texas Speed Stage 3. I believe it's a 216, 220, 550 thousandths lift, 112 degree LSA. It's got a tune now. Some of my other videos that was before it was tuned, so it sounds pretty good. It's been sitting for a while, so it should be pretty rowdy when it starts up. And then we'll pull it out there and let it idle down. And it's pretty choppy, so let's see what it does. Alright, I wanted to do another quick little idle clip. I just took it up to the store, so it should be pretty warm. I noticed the GoPro audio doesn't sound very good. I might put another clip on here with my phone.